Looking for a reliable way to keep your cat safe and stylish? The 2-pack cat collars by VZSRWGK offer a perfect blend of durability, comfort, and safety. Designed with both kittens and adult cats in mind, these collars come with quick-release buckles and reflective strips to protect your furry friend day and night. Each collar is crafted from soft, skin-friendly nylon that stands up to everyday wear witut irritating your cat's neck. The sturdy material ensures long-lasting use, while the adjustable length, from 19 to 32 centimeters, makes it easy to find the perfect fit for any cat size. Plus, the classic black color with a paw print and reflective strip adds a subtle but practical touch. Safety is the top priority here. These collars feature a strong breakaway buckle that snaps open automatically if your cat gets caught on something. This quick-release mechanism helps prevent injuries, giving you peace of mind whether your cat is exploring indoors or outdoors. And the included bell is more than decorative. It alerts nearby birds and small animals, helping to reduce unwanted hunting. The reflective strip is another thoughtful feature that enhances visibility in low light. When headlights or flashlights hit the collar, it shines back, making your cat easier to spot during evening walks or nighttime adventures. This simple addition can make a big difference in preventing accidents, especially near roads or busy areas. Inside the package, you'll find 2 collars, one with a paw print pattern and one with a reflective strip. This gives you options depending on your cat's personality or your preferences. Both collars snap securely and release easily, combining convenience with safety in one sleek design. If you've been searching for a dependable cat collar that balances comfort, protection, and style, this 2-pack cat collar set is worth a look. It fits a wide range of cats, offers essential safety features, and keeps your pet visible when it matters most. Whether for everyday use or special outings, these collars deliver what you need. Ready to upgrade your cat's collar? Try the VZSRWGK 2-pack cat collars with quick-release safety buckles and reflective strips when you're ready. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in your cat's safety and your peace of mind.